A presentation by Find Family Records on reverse indexing, which is a project of Brigham Young University. Brigham Young University is working on programming computers to read handwriting. They need help from others to decipher names that will help them in their programming the computers. They call it reverse indexing. We have done this with small groups and found it to be a lot of fun. We did this with a family and their teenagers really enjoyed it. In groups, this works best if you display the image on a large TV, wall, or screen of some type, so others can see. One person runs the computer, but everyone can input what they think is correct and incorrect. Let me show you how it works. This is the page. If you just type in BYU reverse indexing and go for search, you should be able to find this page. So it says to go to reverse indexing. So I'm going to click on this. And it has my last name in there, Norman. So I'm going to look at each of these images. That image looks like Norman. And that one looks like Norman. Norman. Now that one looks like Horman. That looks like an H. So I'm going to click that one that it's incorrect. This one looks like Noonan. Noonan. So I think that's incorrect. That one looks like Gorman. Incorrect. That one looks like Warman. So I'm going to incorrect. I believe that one is Warman also. And Gorman. But that one looks like Norman. That one looks like Noonan. And that looks more like a G, Gorman, so incorrect. And then I submit it. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes, submit. Now it gives me another group of names. Now I can change this if I want to continue doing Norman. I can just type in Norman again and say search. And there we go, I get Norman again. That one does not look like an N to me. It looks kind of like a U. It could be an N. I'm going to say it's incorrect. I think that one is Norman. I think that one's Norman. That one's Norman. That one looks like Foreman. That one looks like Norman. Almost looks like an L there, but I think that's from something above. So that one's correct. That one's correct. That one's correct. Correct. That one's Gorman. Norman. That one looks like it has a T in it, so I'm going to say incorrect. Now, notice here, reindex the previous screen. So if all of a sudden I think, oh, there was something on the previous screen, I can go back to that screen. I'm going to submit this one. And I'm going to this time say, I'm always sure, and submit. And now it keeps me with this. Now the fun thing with groups is, so you could try each person's name. Now my maiden name is Aldous. And I'm going to type that in. And I don't think it has it. Nope, so it just gives me another name. So then I could do color. And that one does not look like color. That one looks like Cutler. Quell, C-U-E. CH. Now that one looks like color. That has two T's, cutter. That's color or Cullen. Now I'm going to leave that one. Now one thing that you have to realize is that you do the best that you can. Don't worry if it's wrong. They have other people that are actually looking at records and they will do comparisons. Now that one's got a U in it. So I'm going to say that one's incorrect. And submit. And that's all there is to doing it. It's just really fun to do this in groups, and especially with youth and having them pick their last names and taking turns to do their last names. But it helps when there's input and to be able to talk about it. Anyways, good luck and have fun if you do it. Thanks for watching.